Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can remove friends from Snapchat quickly and fast. So the common method we use is simply we have to click on my friends and then we find a friend to unfriend. Simply if we click on this person, then we have to click on here, then we have to click here, and then we have to click on manage friendship, and then we have to click on remove friend. So you can see we do 5 to 6 steps in order to remove a friend. So it takes a lot of time to remove all of these friends. So in order to remove all the friends quickly, you simply have to press and then click on manage friendship and then click on remove friend. So this is the quickly method in order to remove all the friends quickly. So in this way you can perform the task easily and fast. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.